Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Egyptian Dukkah spice mix. Let's get straight into it. So just into a large frying pan, I've started off by adding in 2 cups of white sesame seeds. To this we're going to add a 1/4 cup of coriander seeds, 1 cup of whole hazelnuts, about 2/3 of a cup of full almonds, about a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, about 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, about 1/2 tablespoon of regular salt, and finally about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll also add just about 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, just to give it just a little bit of intensity, but that is optional. So what we're going to do now is take this to our stove. So guys, all we're doing now is just on a very low heat. We just want to toast all this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now be careful not to burn this. We don't want to burn it, just on a very low heat. And you want to regularly just move it around. If you don't want to toss it, you can just use a spoon to mix it. Okay, so we're at the 5-minute mark now, guys. As you can see, the sesame seeds are starting to go a sort of light brown color. So what we're going to do at this point is turn the heat off, because this pan is still going to be very hot. That's going to keep cooking. Once you overcook the sesame seeds, that's it. You need to start again, or else it's going to be very bitter. So don't go past that sort of color. I'm just going to quickly move it around, just to help bring the temperature down quickly. Okay, so what I've done now is just put everything into my food processor. Now, if you can't fit it all in one batch, you can do 2 batches, but make sure you mix it again before you actually serve it, so it's all combined properly. So that being said, put the lid on. Now, we don't want to just go high speed. What we want to do is pulse this just a couple of seconds at a time. Alright, and there we have it. Now this is the sort of consistency we want. You want to be able to see all those crumbs in there. Now if we were to put it on high speed, it would almost turn into a paste, and that's the last thing we want. So now we can empty it out of here. Alright, and our Dukkah spice is ready. And it's just such an amazing aroma and an amazing taste. Now as for serving with this, you'd be surprised, it actually goes with a lot of things, such as avocado, a lot of different seafood. You can use it as a crust, it's very nice. But most commonly, you can mix it with olive oil and use it as a dip with bread. So what we'll do is we'll just take some and place it into a bowl. And once you have it well combined like that, it's ready. So it's more of a paste. And I've just served it up with some fresh Lebanese bread. So guys, that's all there is to it. It is a very nice thing to make. It's ridiculously expensive when you buy it for some reason. And you're better off making it yourself because you know exactly what's in it and it's all the real ingredients. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.